Autonomous learning. Learner autonomy refers to the principle that learners should take an increasing amount of responsibility for what they learn and how they learn it. Autonomous learning is said to make learning more personal and focused, and consequently is said to achieve better learning outcomes since learning is based on learners' needs and preference. It contrasts with the traditional teacher-led approach in which most decisions are modeled by the teacher. There are five principles for achieving autonomous learning. First, active involvement in student learning. Second, providing options and resources. Third, offering choices and decision-making opportunities. Fourth, supporting learners. Fifth, encouraging reflection. In classes that encourage autonomous learning, the teachers become less of an instructor and more of a facilitator. The students are discouraged from relying on the teacher as the main source of knowledge. Students' capacity to learn for themselves is encouraged. Students' awareness of their own learning style is encouraged. Students are encouraged to develop their own learning strategies. An example of the application of the principles of learner autonomy is the Council of Europe's European Language Portfolio, which is intended to help support autonomous learning on a wide scale. The ELP has three components: a language passport, which summarizes the owner's linguistic identity, a language biography, which provides for a reflective account of the learner's experience in learning and using the foreign language, and a dossier in which the learner collects evidence of his or her developing proficiency in the language. The ELP involves regular goal setting and self-assessment. For many teachers, learner autonomy is an important phase on their teaching, which they seek to realize in a number of different ways. For example, through careful analysis of their learners' needs, through introducing and modeling strategies for independent learning, through giving learners techniques they can use to monitor their own learning, through regular consultation with students to help learners plan for their own learning, and through the use of a self-assist center where a variety of self-directed learning resources are available. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.